Hi everyone, my name is Grace So and I'm an Angelic Reiki Master and Intuitive Counselor. This week we have this focus from the Oracle of the Fairies deck of cards called Hidden Depths. Okay, this card is about something hidden coming to light in our consciousness. And I think there are two messages here for us. Alright, so number one, it's about paying attention to a memory at the back of our minds that is trying to nudge you to remember what's real and natural. I don't know about you guys, but for the past 2 or 3 weeks, I would wake up to a memory of spending time in nature, either dancing under the sun or gazing up at the night sky filled with millions of stars. If you are having these types of memories, the fairies and angels are urging you to hold fast to these because it's going to serve you in the long run. Okay? And number two, the second message is about paying attention to what could be a foreshadowing of what is to come that may create confusion or fogginess or ungroundedness within your own experience. So when we pay attention to these two factors, the memory of what's real and the foreshadowing of what is coming that may challenge our memory of what's real, we can be free to choose the direction we want to go instead of being corralled in a direction that others have set out for us. So ever since 5G was turned on, a lot of people have been coming to me with 5G symptoms, like symptoms like sleep disturbances, headaches, anxiety and depression, tiredness and fatigue, itchiness, even weight gain, and irritability, and nerve nauseousness, just to name a few. So I've been recommending either using this quantum frequency device called a Healy, or wearing a bracelet or a necklace that would mitigate the electromagnetic frequencies that are emitting from 5G networks. Okay, so interestingly enough, one of my clients who works in the IT department have revealed that they're actually actively working on 6G networks. So imagine what that is doing to our physical, mental, and emotional bodies. It makes me wonder why there's such a rush to create these networks. Maybe they're trying to get everyone ready to go into the metaverse. Anyway, when we get this gut feel in our tummy, that intuitive feeling that you're embarking, that something is up, pay attention because you could be right. You may not have all the facts, but it could save you a lot of heartache, confusion, and regret in the long run. So this week, listen to what your gut is telling you instead of doubting it or trying to make up an excuse why you shouldn't listen to it. Okay, you will find that the more you listen to your intuition, the stronger and clearer you will feel internally. Nothing can derail you from what is true or real. And your communication will come from that place of strength, power, and clarity. So trust yourself more and more each day by following your intuition. Alright? You can start by asking yourself 2 questions. Okay, number 1, where in my life do I have doubts and why? Number 2, if I didn't have any doubts in this area, what would I do? Okay, so then choose one action in that area to help you move forward and see what happens. So, alright, so before we do the Angelic Reiki Healing Transmission, to help you with these exercises, if you have a Healy, like this one, or a MagHealy, like this one, here is what I want you to do. On the MagHealy device, turn on your pink Healy 2 app and open the Atmosphere 2 group of programs and activate Coherence or Electrosensitivity frequency program. And then on the Healy device, turn on your pink Healy 2 app and open the gold cycle group of programs and activate the pure frequency program. Or number 3, on the Healy device, turn on your pink Healy 2 app and open the Bioenergetic defense group of programs and activate the Electrosensitivity frequency program. Okay? These frequency programs are designed to help you realign with your original blueprint of health and wellness and vitality. So if you don't have a Healy device like this one, or the MagHealy like this one, as of yet, you can click on the link below to get your own, or you can contact the person who sent you this video and ask for their referral link. Okay? So, everyone, if you're ready to receive some Angelic Reiki Healing energy to help you with your hidden depths, please get comfortable. And I want you to take a nice, deep, relaxing breath. Inhale and exhale. Let go of any thoughts you have. Let them float into the background of your mind. Now take another deep breath. Inhale and exhale. And let your emotions relax. Now take another deep breath and feel your body relax as you listen to this piece of music. I'd like you to bring your consciousness back into the room and take a nice deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Take another deep breath. Inhale and exhale out with a sigh. I want to thank you so much for tuning to this Angelic Reiki Healing Transmission. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it out with others whom you feel may benefit from this healing transmission. Okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful week filled with angelic blessings. Take care, everyone.